Iloilo Parao Regatta Festival is now on its 43rd year with the theme All Sails Up for APEC 2015. Parao Regatta Festival is the longest and the oldest festival in the country and in Southeast Asia. The festival is held every third week of February or right after the celebration of the Chinese New Year. The highlight of the event was the sailing of the colorful parao across the oceans of Iloilo and Guimaras. Also one of the highlights of the celebration of parao is the Mardi Gras, participated by different groups, schools, or communities gathered and joined to this colorful parade and dance with the drum beats and trumpets. Other activities includes Pintawo, a body paint competition held on the day of the event. This is to showcase the ability of the artists on how they interpret the theme of the festival.
This is that ice cold Michelle fight for that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Stylin', wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gotta kiss myself, I'm so pretty. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man. I'm too hot. Say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot. And my band bought that money. Break it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. Don't believe me, just watch. 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 Hey, 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 oh! Stop. Wait a minute. Fill my cup, put some nigga in it. Take a sip, sign the check. Julio, get the stretch. Right to Harlem, Hollywood, Jackson, Mississippi. If we show up, we gon' show out. Smoother than a fresh drop. Skip it. I'm too hot. Call the police and the fireman. I'm too hot. Make a dragon wanna retire, man. I'm too hot. Bitch, say my name, you know who I am. I'm too hot. And my band bought that money. Break it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Come on. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just
Also, another activity of the Parao Festival is the 2 days invitational sports activities held at the very famous place in Villa Regatta with relaxing ambience and a cozy environment, the Joe III Garden. These activities is joined by different schools in the country.
And of course, the highlight of this festival is the boat sailing competition in different categories. Iloilo Parao Regatta Festival is known as the oldest sailing event all over Asia.
I, Jet Patrick Mabilog, Mayor of Iloilo City, do hereby declare the race
Open!
open!
Saturday night and we in the spot.
Saturday morning, jumped out of bed and put on my best suit. Got in my car and raced like a jet all the way to you. Knocked on your door with heart in my head to ask you a question, 'cause I know that you're an old-fashioned man. Yeah. Can I have your daughter for the rest of my life? Say yes, 'cause I need to know. You say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die. Tough luck, my friend, but the answer is no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too?
And before ako lipat, pasalamat din po sa magbiya yung Joe Desert Espinosa Cantina. Kaya kung wala sa ila, hindi kapigay yung sports festival sa Tanamira. At napilana ni Kaatlaw na mga event, I think piling culmination sa Tanamira. It's long na to in 12 to 40 years here of the sailing event in Meron kasi yung kondi of longest, kaya ang Hong Kong Cup after 24 years old, Itaya for 15 years na. Then we have grown to become a worldwide sailing event.
Part of the activities during Parao Regatta Festival is beach volleyball. We have Rochelle Soberano for the happenings.
Yes, Vanessa, thank you. And to all of you mga katatang, good day. And a hot day for us, but not just a hot day. Spectators gather to witness the Invitational Beach Volleyball Competition.
For the 12th National Women Beach Volleyball. And again, the semifinals and championship will happen this afternoon, and those plus trophy and medals.
While he's with another girl, do you think he was just doing that to make me jealous? Because he was totally texting me all night last night.
Oh, another miscommunication again on part of CSC. 9-5, won the switch. And Natham here is getting away. There goes the serve too long there for Zapato. But that's an easy point for CSC, and that's a good break for them.
You say I'll never get your blessing till the day I die. Tough luck, my friend, 'cause the answer's still no. Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm human too?
Galio serving for CSC.
I'm gonna marry you anyway.
Oh, that is smart play there by Escobillas. 9-7. Galio serving. There goes the serve. And it's off. 1-2 play. Gabato sending that one in the back. Escobillas goes for the attack. Check by C. And again, Gabato sending it in the back. And an error there committed by Escobillo. Or Escobillas. 10-5. Or 10-7. Okay, to the 5. There it goes. The serve. Oh! Error down part on the foul. CSC now down by 2. Slowly they're getting closer here. That's the lead. They're starting to stop the lead to 1 here. Navato setting in for C. C goes for the attack. Galio setting in for Escobillas to overset. And C diving for that ball. Another smart play coming from GSC.
And that was the overall activities of Parao Regatta Festival. This is Vanessa Magatuhay together with my co-host Rochelle Soberano, and I would like to thank Madam Gina Sarabia Espinosa and Vice Mayor Joe III Espinosa and the Joe III Garden as our venue, and also to the top